Hello everyone, you are watching Services Ground. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crop the image without losing any pixels in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. Here is the image that I will use. I need to resize the image to 900 pixel by 600 pixel. I need to resize the image to 900 pixel by 600 pixel. Before getting started, we need to know the actual size of the image. Now go to the bottom of the document window and click and hold the document size information. In the small pop-up, you will see the size of the image. As we can see that this image is 1800 pixel wide and the height of the image is 1200 pixel. We will start with the basics. To crop an image in Photoshop, we use the crop tool. I will select it from the tools bar. You can also select the crop tool from your keyboard by pressing the letter C. As soon as you select the crop tool, Photoshop places a cropping border around the image. If you look around the border, you will see little handles. There is one on the top, bottom, left, right, and one in each corner. The easiest way to crop your image is to click and drag the handles to reshape the border into any size you need. The area inside the border is what you will be keeping, and the area outside it will be cropped away. You can also click and drag inside the border to reposition the image inside it. I'm going to cancel my crop so we can look at another way to work. To cancel it, click the cancel button in the option bar. Instead of using the initial crop border that Photoshop places around the image, you can also click anywhere inside the image and drag out your own border. Then drag the handles to resize it or click and drag inside the border to reposition the image. To reset your crop, rather than cancelling out of it completely, click the reset button in the options bar. By default, Photoshop lets us resize the crop border freely without caring about the aspect ratio. But if you want to keep the original aspect ratio of your image, press and hold your shift key as you drag any of the corner handles. This locks the aspect ratio in place. I will click the reset button to reset my crop. If you want to resize the border from its center, press and hold the Alt or Option key on a Mac as you drag the handles. Again, I will check the reset button to reset it. But you can also use the crop tool to crop your image to specific size and resolution. To do that, open the aspect ratio menu and then choose width, height and resolution. I am going to resize the image 900 pixel by 600 pixel. Now you can see here there are three fields. The first field is the width, the second field is the height, and the third field is the resolution. Now I am going to enter the value of 900 in width field and 600 value in the height field and 300 in the resolution field. The 300 resolution is for high quality image that can be used for printing purpose. After setting the values, go to the options bar and click on the check mark to crop the image. You can also crop it by pressing enter or return on a Mac to go back to the document window. If you want to check the size of the image after cropping, go to the bottom of the document window and click and hold the document size information. As we can see that this image is now 900 pixel wide and 600 pixel of the height instead of the original that was 1800 pixel by 1200 pixel. Now all you have to do is to save this image. Go up to the menu bar, select file and I choose save as instead of save because I want to save this file that is 900 pixel by 600 pixel in a new file so that I can keep the original file that was 1800 pixel. I am going to give this file another name. You can type anything that you want. Now click save button and click OK to the JPEG options window. All we have done. That's how can we crop the image using crop tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you guys have any question or queries, please let us know in the comments below. Or you can send us email at the following address. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Take care and I will see you in the next video.